Let me try one more time. Oh, I couldn't get the full circle. Wait, let's go try jumping that. What is this?
That's part of it.
Part of it? Oh my God. It actually works. Oh my God, I almost slid out. What were we saying?
You should do one where you just go full speed out.
Oh, just like, yeah.
Yeah.
Do all the little kids move? Because I don't want to like...
They're all gone, yeah.
All gone? Let me try hitting this again. Hey, you know what this reminds me of? Like a Lego piece.
It does, because it like snaps.
Yeah. I'm gonna try going a circle around the whole tree. Ready? Watch this. Nah! Couldn't get around the whole tree. Let me try again. You watch. That was like right in the way, the ramp. I'm gonna go over here. Was that loud?
Yeah, that was a good sound.
Just going like right on the grass?
Yeah, like full speed.
Yeah, I could do that.
Yeah.
Oh. God, my arm's tired. I'm gonna take a break.
Wanna take a break?
Yeah. Yeah, I was driving by and then I saw this ramp here and I was like, I have to bring my electric dirt bike here and hit it in the grass area. That's crazy. I should have been recording. My cameraman accidentally looped the bike, but he said it's good. He's getting paid for the plastic he broke. Lagging. Okay. Oh my God, the bars. You saw that?
Oh, here's your helmet. Almost forgot. Here you go.
You see the bars in mid-movie move?
Yeah.
I hope they stay still.
That's what happened with me. That's kind of why it fell.
Because
Bars were like,
you pulled it like this, right?
I don't think. Yeah, I think maybe I did.
Okay, ready? Oh, okay.
Just edit this part out.
Yeah. The bars keep on moving mid. Have you seen that? Look, I'll pop it up and look, the bars would be like, I don't know how I explain
That's how
it.
I lost control.
They would be like, going like that.
That's how I lost control back there.
Oh, back there?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
if the bars didn't move, the hole wouldn't have done shit.
Yeah, the bars moved. But then right here, was it, you said you just went like that, right?
Yeah.
The throttle? It's crazy. It's too bad we weren't recording it. I could have sent you
Could have
it.
got some good content.
I said, in 2 minutes, he looped out over there and over there.
We missed all the good content.
I did. No, it's because I didn't know. You were just talking about how you were going like 75 on a gas dirt bike on the dirt.
Yeah.
And when you're going on the
That was
dirt,
easier to control than this.
when you're going on the dirt, you got to be like,
Yeah.
like watching out. I mean, I was thinking no problem on this little thing, and then I see him loop out. I'm like, oh my
That thing
God.
just has power.
Yeah.
Like, it just-
Yeah. You were literally getting beat up by the bike. Like I saw you on the ground. I was like, oh my God, I hope he's good. You know what I mean?
I can take Teslas and shit. Like,
Yeah. Nah, it didn't work. Nope. You know what's also another fact? I noticed, this is the craziest thing. Taller people who are like on the taller side, they always have like the worst like incidents on the bike. Like I have my friend, and I was telling you, one of my friends, he's like over 6 foot tall. He went on the bike and he pulled it and he was like, oh my gosh. And then after he fell, he was like, bikes are not made for tall people.
Yeah.
He just, you're on the taller side, and then you ate it. I mean, I don't know, like, you guys gotta stick to basketball or something. You guys gotta stick to basketball.
Bro, that would have been so funny if we got that on video.
Yeah, cause then I could have put stick to basketball.
Yeah, stick to basketball.
Yeah. And then you pick this up and swing it. Perfect. Let's go. Yeah. And, no,
And this goes around.
yeah, there.
And then
After this car. So it's like a rough park. It's a little bit rough here. It's a little rough. Just a little, right?
Now we're good.
You're good? Chilling? Okay. Everyone's like looking. I mean, when I get home, I'll just fix the bars. I'll just push them back and then screw them on. And then order the plastic. Or do you want, you order or you just send the money?
I'll send you the money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me make sure. Because I know the shipping. Last time they got me good, I bought something and I thought it was free shipping and they charge you 10 bucks for free shipping. Or like 20 bucks. Weird, right?
God damn.
Why'd they do that? Just like the scooter. The scooter. $10 for $10 tax for a bird scooter, you remember?
Yeah.
What's with all the
that was so
taxing?
crazy.
That's weird. You gotta jump this. Screw out the way! You're in the way! It's okay, I'll try again, Try again, ready? Ah, there's not enough room here at the skate park. That's fun going on that.
That little ramp?
The ground's slippery. This is probably one of the smallest skate parks I've ever been to.
Yeah, this one's small.
Yeah, it's small here. It's busy here. Let me try again. Oh, you saw him? You got it. He actually does got that down. You want to go to the grass now?
Yeah.
I could do like a top speed run.
Oh yeah. That's like perfect.
Where are you gonna go? On the grass?
Right there.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that'll be cool.
I don't want to be in anyone's way. Yeah, okay. Whoa. Yeah, bumpy right there. I didn't know all these tree roots. They're right there, so when I'm bouncing, the suspension's like working, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you guys are wondering why this piece is missing, it's the cameraman. It wasn't me. Because they'd be like, people in the comments be like, he doesn't know how to ride. He's fucking missing his whole back fender. I mean, it's like, not me. I didn't do that. The bars got tweaked, but that you just unscrew it. Yeah. And then luckily you bent this back because I checked the video and I was like, this is supposed to be straight. You know what I mean? And then I was looking and I was like, why is it bent down? You know what I mean? And why is this duct taped? What the? The company duct taped it. That's weird. Huh. Maybe it's like something, I don't know, like strong duct tape.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the skate park. You see, this is what I was riding on. It's bumpy, so the suspension was working. See? This park is kind of like a little bumpy here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll take that one. I'll take it. You're gonna go back in circles right here. And try it again. I'm surprised it doesn't bottom out. The battery,
Yeah.
it clears it. Like nothing rubs, like the middle. It's all good.
Yeah, isn't that something?
Yeah. That was fun. I'm trying to see if I can put the bike up somewhere. Let me put the bike somewhere and then I take a video of the bike at the skate park.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. Let me tie my shoe when I'm at it. Those are actually good. I'll take it. Let's go. Okay, now he's going. Let's see how my cameraman does it. See, he's zooming, he's zooming, he's zooming.